Hello everyone, welcome back to my SAP channel, SAP Artist. Please do like and subscribe the channel for more SAP videos. So today's topic is S4HANA LTMC and LTMOM. So in S4HANA, SAP introduced a upload tool called LTMC. This is similar like LSMW. In LSMW, we record the transaction and create the file required and upload it. But here, SAP has made our life easier by giving us this tool in which we need to just download the template required to upload. No need to record anything. So today I will be going through the LTMC process and show you a demo in the SAP system how to upload the file through LTMC and also use LTMOM T code to add a field to your file. So what I've seen is that some people get confused to use LTMC because they don't find the field required. So they think it is of no use and they go back to LSMW. So in today's topic, I'll be explaining you how to add the field required in the template through LTMOM. Normally, SAP has given us a standard template to use it, but sometimes we add extra fields as per the business requirements. So today I'll be uploading a vendor master through LTMC in which I will add a field which is not there in the template and required as per business. It's like an example. This creation, we normally do it through BP, business partner, but now I'll be creating it in LTMC. So before going into SAP, I'll just show you this PowerPoint slide. So these are the sample templates which we normally create. Example, GL master data, vendor master data, customer master data, asset master data, vendor and customer line item, cost and profit center master. There are n number of templates in it. Whichever is required as per the requirement, we can use it. So this is the LTMC upload process. First, we need to create the project. Second, download the template, fill it, upload the file, activate it, start transfer, validate data, convert values, simulate import, execute import. The last 4 points, every point is important, but the last 4 points, validate data, convert values, simulate import, execute import. These are most important in this process. If any one of the process fails, you won't be able to upload it in SAP. And what is the error? The system will show you also if you get an error while uploading. This is LTMOM upload tool process. It is same as LTMC. I've just created 2 slides to make you understand that, so that there is no confusion. So in this only one point is added, that add missing field in template through LTMOM T code. So basically we create the project, we download the template. Then if we find the missing field which is required in a template is not there, we can add it through LTMOM T code. Then upload file, activate it, start transfer. The 4 important key process: validate data, convert values, simulate import, and execute import. Now we'll go to SAP. So SAP, you have to go and do LTMC here, like this. Then we press enter. You'll get a file. You'll get a page like this. You go to create. First, you need to create the project. So let's assume we given a name vendor upload. Okay, upload 1. So now click on create. First, you'll be creating the project. So now the project has been created, as you can see. Then you need to select the template. So in our case, we are going to upload the vendor master. So I'm going to select the template supplier. This might take some time. Press OK. In the meanwhile, I'll just show you in business partner. You have to go and click on BP. So this is a business partner which is already there. Okay, and let's assume I'll be creating 9 to 1, just 5. So this is not there. You can see business partner does not exist. So the field which I was talking about, see, this is general data. Okay, normally, which will be filling up like company name, your address. Okay, now example, I'll be showing you the field which I'm going to try. This is company code data where we're putting the reconciliation account sort key, payment transaction, we're putting payment term, check double invoice. And here in this tab, there is a field called withholding tax country. Okay. So this won't be there in the template. I'll be adding it and then we can see how it gets created. And one more thing, to add this, okay, we require the technical name of this field. So what you have to do, go and press F1. Meanwhile, the system comes, template. Here, the name is there. After pressing F1, you come here, select technical name like this. Okay, click on it. You'll get here the field name, QLand. So you have to use this field name and you have to add this field name in the template. Okay. We'll wait. This takes some time. So now we need to download the template. We're giving any number as 20 example and we'll save it. I'll just show you the template first. So quickly we'll see the template. Okay. So this is the template I've downloaded, the supplier one. Okay. So here, if you see, there are colored sheets. Okay. This is yellow color sheet and there is blue color sheet. Okay. So yellow one is compulsory. So you have to fill the yellow color sheets, mandatory. Without this, the data won't be, the system won't take the sheet, actually upload the data on the SAP. So you have to fill this yellow one. The blue one is optional. If you want, you can use it. So now the data which I'm going to add is in the company data tab. Okay. Here, if you see, you won't be able to find that withholding tax country. So I'll be adding somewhere here only the withholding tax country tab. See here, you can see it is not there. Okay. I'll try to add somewhere here in payment method or here somewhere terms of payment key block. Somewhere here I'll try to add it. Okay. So now what will we do? We'll go to the key code LTMOM to add the field. So this is the very key step if you want to add a field. Without this step, you cannot add the field in this template. So now if you see, the projects are here, which are we like was there in that LTMC project. What we had used was vendor upload one. Double click on it. So here you can see there are different kind, of mapping. Example, source structure, field mapping are there. So we need to add the field in the source structure. Okay. And once this field is added, then we need to map it. So I'll be showing you how to add it and map it also. The source structure will be adding the field which in earlier I have shown you. If you go back in this video, you'll see I have shown you how to add a technical field name. That technical field name will be added here. So we go to company data. If you see general data, company data, right? I'm going to add it in company data. Okay. Now everything is grayed out. So you need to go to this pencil and click display change. So when this is in a change mode, then only able to add it. So now it is there. So example now. Okay. So I'll be adding somewhere here. Okay. So we will just so what we'll do, short key here in payment block. Okay. So near terms of payments, we will add it. So we'll add it in between this segment. Click on this insert field. Okay. Now the name of the field was QLAN. Okay. Select CHRA. It is of, sorry, the value will be two alphabets. Enter 2. The value, example 80 is the length of that particular field. Here we'll be putting the name of the field with holding tax country key. Okay. And here company data. Okay. That's it. Nothing to enter. So I've added like this and save it. Once the application data saved, okay, then go to field mapping. Within process mode. Oh, now field mapping. So here the field which we have added in the source structure has to be mapped. Okay. So this is general data. So we need to go to our company code data. So this is company data. Okay. So see if you can see So here is the withholding tax key. Okay, but so we can find here our withholding tax country key. Just search. And now ah, here it is. Okay, so just drag it like this. Now it has been mapped correctly. Okay. Now just click on generate. Okay. So when you generate this, yes, save changes, yes. So this, if you can see below, perform synchronization happening. Now this object will be generated and it will be there in the template. So then we need to download the template again, and then we need to fill in the fields and then upload it. So initially this field was not there in the template, but now after adding it through LTMOM, this field will be available. So this scenario is normally used when, besides this standard template which SAP has given, you require certain fields, which is required as per your business requirement. It will take some time. No. Generating actually still you can see it is going on. See, it is done. You can see here everything is in map. We'll go back to LTMC. Just refresh it. Let's download the template again. We'll give it as 30. Just to identify any name we can give. So, uh, we'll just go back, come again. Here is the sheet again. Okay, this is the company data tab. Go back again. This one. Come back again. I'm going back into the system. Like I come back. Guys, what I'll do is just 1 minute, 1 minute. Just come back. The system is taking time. 1 minute. Let's come back. Our process was vendor upload tool. Okay, so I'll open it again. So if you want to come back again and use it, so you can come like this. In process will be just open, click on open. Then look for your just going back and checking again by downloading the template. Taking some time. So just overview again. First, we need to create a project. Okay. Then download the template, and I've shown you how to add it also. Okay. Then we need to download it again, and the process further. Processing is taking some time. It's taking too long actually. What is the problem actually? lot of time. I'll be taking the problem. Go again. Back, continue. I'm trying to go back again. Just taking a lot of time. I'll be selecting under upload was a process. Open. Supplier comes again. Click on this. If someone is trying to use LTMC and LTMOM also, they can just go through this video. It might help them to upload the data if they are adding new fields in it. Or normally also you can do that. Normal upload also you can do that. So now it has come quickly. Downloading the template now. Quickly go to the, just check quickly. Go quickly to the company data tab. Just see data has been updated. See here. Now you can see the withholding tax country key has come. Okay. So it's just that we need to refresh it. That is the reason it was not coming. So quickly now I'll be putting all the data and uploading. So I showed you that I'll be uploading for 9210005. Here you can see it was only for 4. Okay. So I'll be doing it for the 5th one. Right. BP grouping. YBP1. So this is your example. Now I'll give anything. Uh, I'll give as Mahesh Enterprises. Okay. Then title. It's a company. Okay. This is the name of the company code. If it's a company 003, if it's Mr. like that, title code you have to give. First you have to enter the supplier. Okay. Then your grouping, which your grouping you have created. Example, this I've created for domestic vendors. Okay. So that's kind of grouping. Name, title. Okay. Then I'll be filling up the regular data which is required. Not everything. Street, example street, I can give anything like Andheri. Okay, specific different city, postal code 40011. City is Mumbai. The country is IN. State is 13 Maharashtra. Okay, go further. You have to get one more state. The language is English. Okay, that's it from this side. Now you go to BP roles. Okay, so here this is a role. Okay, which you'll be creating. So I'm going to create two roles. Basically, one is your finance data and one is the purchasing organization. Okay, 00 FLVN01. So here, if you see, I'll show you also again. See, this is the role which I'm talking about. This is your supplier financing FLVN00 and supplier. You maintain this automatic, that will come. Okay. So maintain, after this, we'll go to company code data. So company code data again, one, then company code is 9100. Sort key is 012. We'll give sort key. Then reconciliation account I've given. Now we'll put the withholding tax country IN. Okay. Terms of payment is 0001. Then check double invoice will give. Okay. And that's it. And we'll save it. Okay. Now it's done. Now we'll go back to LTMC. Okay. Now we'll upload the file. Okay. Quickly. Just select your file which we are using. It's 35. Open. Give any name if you want, a supplier like this. Same here also. CPPLI here. Okay. Upload. See, upload has happened. Okay. So now after this, I was talking about activate. So click on this, not active. Click here, activate. So when we click on this, it's activate the file. See, data file saved successfully. Now click on start transfer. See, it is saying logged by user S4. So now what you have to do is you need to go to your here. Just go back. Yes. That's it. Then I'll come back again to here. Start transfer. You want to continue? Okay. Because it was open in LTMOM. That was the reason. So I uploaded one vendor. Okay. For showing you how to update the vendor master data, company code data, along with general data. Okay. So you can do it for multiple in bulk. This processing is taking a lot of time in this video. But this will happen, I think, so normally when you are also creating it. So now if you see the four important things which I was talking about was validate data, convert value, simulate, and execute import. Okay, simulate import. So now this is the first thing which is validate. It is validating the data. Whatever we uploaded is proper or not as per the file required, and it is going on. That's 100%. Close it. It shows here. See, if you see, here is the priority information about it. Okay. See, anything will be there, error, you'll get it here. Okay. The next step is convert values. Okay. See, now what will happen? You need to see, these are the, click on this 1 minute. We can do one by things. If you want to see what all things have to be done for a single thing, you can do that also. Okay. Example now, these are all open tasks which require mapping. So example this, it is saying user supplier ID for integration with the system. We are not doing it with any external system, so no integration. Save. You can click one by one, also save it. If you click on this, it will show you what is, if an error is there in your value. You can click like this, all also status, and confirm mapping values. This might take some time because it is confirming all the values which is required. If an error comes, it will show you here only. Now the system is basically mapping it. This might take some time because there are a lot of data. If you can see here, mapping of original code, GL account, whatever we have mapped inside, is showing open items. You have to just select it, confirm mapping values. If after that other still comes, you can see it on the screen again. Then you need to just select it as I shown earlier and map it, what is required. We have to wait for this. So these were the four processes which I was telling you, it is very important. So first is like validating the data, converting values, simulate import, and execute import. So these four processes will tell you if any error is there, it will show you between these four processes only. If everything goes well, there is no error, then the data will be uploaded in SAP. See, everything has been processed, all tasks processed. Click on next. This was the second. First, second, convert only. We are going to the third step, simulate import now. Data simulation is in progress. Hundred percent done. Click on close. See, again, it has been successfully done. So no error here. If you see standard priority is only information, click on next. Execute import. This is the final step. When this is done and no error, then it means the data is uploaded in SAP. So our vendor 9213 times 05 was not created as you have seen earlier. It says does not exist, but after this uploading, we'll check in the system. Close. See, it says all file has been processed, choose finish. Okay, click on finish. If you're facing sometimes the problem of, the file doesn't have the field, you can just go back and then come again, which we did it and it was there. Sometime it happens. Okay, see, it says finished. Okay. Now we'll go to SAP. So here, we'll just go back to the BP again. We'll come here. See, it was not there. 5. Now we'll click on here. See, Mahesh Enterprises, like you filled in the data. So we'll go to the general data tab. Okay, so it was given title was given company. As I said, title. Then Mahesh Enterprises. Then here is the address. Andheri, the code, country, region, automatic, the state, English. Okay. Then we go to company code data. If you can see here, the reconciliation account, sort key we had given, and the main thing which we had withholding tax country in, it has come here. We had added the field, we have done it. If you go to payment transaction also, this payment terms, then double invoice again. If you want to bring a tick on this, you can just give a X over there. It brings. So now this vendor is created. So in the same way, you have to do it for other, whatever data is required, master data, example, GL, vendor, customer, anything. Transaction also, vendor line item. You can have to do the same way as I showed. And this we have done it for the vendor master. So I have added for the general and the company code data. So whichever field is required, you can just fill it and upload it, and you can add it also. Okay. Now, this is the template, which you can see here. Everything is done. So guys, please do like, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll be coming back with more SAP videos. I hope this will benefit to the person who is using this LTMC at the moment, or any further person will be using in his project, LTMC, LTMOM both. So thank you.